I was using my Google Maps to get around, so I could not really vlog this shopping process. But yeah, I went out and I got like a bunch of stuff. So let's unbox it together. I don't want to go back to Nigeria. Oh god. Yeah, everything here is so easy. I literally just walked to the mall and it's like 5 minutes away and I walked. I don't want to go back home. I don't want to go back to Nigeria. Actually. I've been out since like 2 p.m. and now it's like 5. And today was the first day I finally got to go out on my own without Blue. And I did a little shopping. So next time I go shopping, I'll make sure I bring you guys along with me. So let's start with, which one is basic? Let's start with Primark. Let's start. I got this big cosmetic pad. Primark things were really, how do I put it? They were substandard before. Like they looked really cheap before, but now Primark is really doing this thing. And these shoes, you won't even believe, it's just like £16 and it looks like designer. Crazy. So I got these shoes. It's giving corporate, it's giving Ote babe, it's giving can walk with street fashion. Also got these slippers. It's giving Hermes. If you hear French people pronouncing this Hermes, you know what, I'm going to spell it out on the screen so you get what I'm talking about. Giving cute and expensive. Guess how much I got this. I also got it in black. Cute. Also giving Hermes. You get the vibe I'm talking about. Okay, that's all. And I got this comics lip balm. So that's it for Primark. My card just came today, so I still want to order things from Amazon. Like I want to get my tripod back because Blue broke my tripod. I didn't really get stuff from Boots because I want to take you guys back with me. I got this spray. I just saw it there and I'm like obsessed with body mist and perfumes. So I got that and it smells still. I wish you guys could smell it. It smells like perfume already. So like imagine using that then topping it off with some. Oof! If I combine this perfume with one perfume that I have, I'm gonna be smelling like money. It's gonna be giving delicious, expensive. I used my sister's spirits to clean my hair, so she said I should get that spirit. So those were the only two things I got. Then let's move to I got NARS. I only got foundation. It's so crazy that everything is just in walking distance, but I literally just left my house, walked to the mall, and got this foundation. That if I want to buy this thing in Nigeria now, it's like 60k, but here it's just £37. Yeah, it's just £37 here. Crazy. Nigeria is so backwards. No. I'm going to have to stand up for this. So this is my favorite store. Let me start with the jacket. So I got this jacket. It's giving cool. I just had to get it because it looks really cool. Then I got these pants as well. Bro, like if I not pair these two, bro, you know I didn't even think of wearing these shoes and this outfit before, but now I can really see this working. See, I love it. Alright, so that's the end of my unboxing today. I'll see you guys tomorrow or whenever I go shopping again. I ordered a bunch of stuff from Amazon and they finally came. I have not only one, not two, not three, not four, but 5 packages to unbox today, and I'm so excited. I swear, it's so crazy how everything is just accessible and you can just order something from Amazon and get it the next day. Literally, it's so crazy. I'm genuinely thinking of moving to the UK. I'm not even capping. I opened some already, Shabo. Let's just get straight into the unboxing. I love new stuff. Oh god. So first on our list is this powder puff. I don't know why I didn't buy this in Nigeria. I've just been saying when I come to UK I'll buy it. When I come to UK I'll buy it. But it's just this under eye puff thing. Finally. So I got this for makeup. And it's so crazy because everything is so freaking cheap. I gave one to my sister already. I also got finally got this influencer. I'm like the only influencer that doesn't have this influencer light. So I finally got mine. I think I got this off TikTok shop, actually, not Amazon. And it's so crazy that they have TikTok shop in UK because there's nothing like I didn't even know there was a TikTok shop until I came to UK. And if you don't know what TikTok shop is, in this UK, they have something like Amazon on TikTok, so you can order stuff on TikTok and they will deliver it to you, and it's so easy to use. Yes, so I'm like the only person that doesn't have this influencer light. So I finally got it. So I can take pictures at night and look like an actual London babe with the bright highlighter. This light's just going to be bouncing on it. Okay. I hope it's the one you can attach to your phone. You can't attach this to your phone. I'm so pissed. I think you can buy. I'm so disappointed. Okay, maybe I just have to charge it because it's not working. Did not scam me. No, they didn't scam me. Fuck, I really thought it was the one you can attach to your phone. Oh, that's why I bought it. It's charging. It looks like it's charging, sha. But it was not coming on. That was disappointing, but it still works, sha. I'll just have to hold the lights and get a separate tripod. This light is supposed to be very bright, sha, so I'm not all that sad. Number 3. So, I said I wanted to change my skincare routine. So I got this. My friends as skincare junkies said I should get this all-in-one advanced snail or ever cream. Uh-huh. And it feels really good on your skin. I also got this. TikTok said I should buy it because it's a good cleanser. So I got this as well. Those are my 2 skincare products for now. Just that. I've not started using them. I'm not using them yet. I've never used them. I'm just buying them and keeping them. So when it's complete, I'll start using them. Then I also got a tripod. You can see the obvious difference between this tripod and the one I bought in Nigeria. This one looks very authentic. It doesn't look like something that will spoil anytime soon. See, it looks very durable, unlike that nonsense that they sold to me in Nigeria. So yeah, I got this tripod as well. Last but not the least, I'm not going to show you guys this one because it's something I'm working on secretly and I don't want the world to know yet. So yeah, I'm not going to show you, but this is something really important. Later in the future, you're gonna know. This one is from this brand I work with, Horizon Exchange. If you want to trade your gift cards, bitcoins, anything like that, this is the go-to brand for you. They sent me a t-shirt and a hoodie. I told them to send me their biggest size. So that's it. Yeah, that's it. Yeah. Bye. You guys, I got so bored, so I decided to get a few things at the mall. So come to the mall with me. Yo, we're going, guys. So I'm at the mall right now. I got some things from Primark. One reason why I really like Primark is that if you take £50 to Primark, you will buy and buy and buy and buy and buy, and your money will not finish. And funny thing is that Primark's quality is actually improving these days. Now I'm freaking hungry. I just want to go and get food. So I'll see when I get to the food cafe. I feel very, very, very weird holding my phone like this. It was my camera now, that's fine, but my phone is just fucking up. It's McDonald's that I'm looking for like this. That's like the most popular place here. I've seen it like 5 billion times. No, I'm just walking around. There are like 5 floors. I'm just going up, down, up, down. I know the food court is on the last floor. So I'm really, really hoping it's this floor because while they're walking around, I'm hungry. successfully went on a journey on my own by train and I did not get lost. I'm so proud of myself. I'm already back in my area now. So I just came to get something at the supermarket at Tesco. When can we go home? Ow. Can you leave my video? Go and watch your cartoon. I went shopping again yesterday and I got a bunch of stuff from like 4 shops. Primark again. Primark has been constant. It's not my favorite store, but I buy things from Primark like a lot. Blue, can you stop shaking my person? I'm babysitting Blue because my mom and my sister went out. So just pardon any disruption in the video because she's stressing me out. So let's start with H&M. I got just this bag from H&M. They were about to close. Apparently H&M closes by 5 on Sundays and I didn't know, so this was the only thing that I was able to buy. Yeah, look at it. It's just cute. Like cute is just the word. It was raining yesterday, so kind of ruined this my bag. So I went to get makeup and some other stuff from Boots and Superdrug. My micellar water was done, so I got micellar water. I also got these two. This is Revolution lip plumbing gloss. This is also Revolution, but this one is in shade candy. This one is clear. Then I got this brush. It's like a blending brush. I needed a blending brush. I'll probably do a tutorial or something. I don't know. I'll probably just do something on TikTok or Instagram just to show you my new makeup product. I always get excited when I get new makeup, and I've not bought new makeup in such a long time. Where are you going to now? So happy about this. And then on my skincare journey, I got this skincare. I don't know, it feels like everybody has this, and my friend said I should get this. So Superdrug. I got more stuff from Superdrug because I went to Superdrug first. By the way, the guy that sold this thing to me as Superdrug was racist as fuck. He was just acting really weird. He wasn't trying to have a conversation or anything like that. Not like I want him to have a conversation, but it was just really dismissive. The way he was just talking to me like, and this was a gift. And then they gave me like £1 discount. I wish I bought a lot of stuff so that discount will actually count. I want to change my press-ons. These nails are gone already. So nice. This was only like £4. Yeah, I also got this. This is supposed to be like a liquid blush, I guess. Lip and cheek tint from Revolution. They were recommending a lot of Revolution products, man. If it's not good, I'm going to be so pissed. I also got this bronzer from Revolution. Then Revolution again. Okay, this one is not Revolution. This one is just sharpener. For my eyebrow pencil, I got this elf eyeliner. I got this. Also got elf concealer. Where are you going to now? How is your body supposed to fit inside that place? People were hyping this one on TikTok, so I just had to get it. Plus, I don't have powder again. Yeah, I think that's it for the makeup. Yeah, and then last but not the least, I have to rush through this because it's stressing me out. First is this bag. The moment I saw this bag, I just said, bro, I have to get it. If I tell you how much I got this bag, you will not believe me. Don't put it in your mouth. Give me. I just had to get this. I'm trying to buy my clothes small, small, so I can buy what I really like from like all the stores. Small here, small here, small. So if I don't really like it, I'll not buy it. So let me show you the clothes I got from Primark. First is this sweatshirt. It's not really a sweatshirt because it's like really thin, but it's Primark, so I'm not complaining. I also got these pants. It's giving, I don't know, it's giving bold, it's giving boss. And guess what? I got them in size 10 and they fit. So that means, oh god, it's getting thick. I'm getting thick. I just got this one so I can pair with this and make an outfit, and it looks really nice together, surprisingly. I got this bodycon long sleeve shirt. It's really cute. This is just an essential. I just saw this and I was like, nah, I just have to. I can't leave this. Then I got this two piece. I don't know, I might return it. I'm not really liking it again. The shorts are too long. I think that's what's throwing me off. But I like the shirt, sha. And I like the color of my skin. Why are you eating your crocs? Why are you eating? They will not catch you, you'll be smiling. Then I got this white dress. I don't even really have white clothes like that. So when I wear white, my skin is always brighter and it just makes me look clean. I got this for my clean girl aesthetic. Bro, somebody should come and take me out. I put together this outfit already and then I carried that bag that I bought and everything is just looking sweet and perfect. Yeah, so that's all for today. I will still be buying more things. I will still be buying more clothes, more bags. If you liked the unboxing and little clothing haul, make sure you drop a like, comment. I wanted to buy things from Zara, but Zara things are now so freaking expensive. But based on my exchange rates, because the money I brought initially finished, so I had to use Bureau change to change naira to pounds, and the rate they gave me was 935. So if I'm buying something £1 now, that's 1k. 1,000 naira is £1. £10 is 10k. Yeah, that's the end of my video. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. You can see I'm being consistent. Give me my flowers. I really hope my mom and my sister come back fast. 'Cause I'm tired. Anyways, bye guys. I'll see you in my next video.